Is YouTube TV an app? Let's clarify. Yes, YouTube TV is available as an app, making it easy to access live TV and on-demand content on various devices. The YouTube TV app can be downloaded on smart TVs, streaming devices like Roku, Fire Stick, and Apple TV, smartphones, tablets, and gaming consoles. The app provides a user-friendly interface for browsing live channels, accessing your DVR library, and watching on-demand content. It also supports features like multi-device streaming, depending on your subscription plan, and voice search on compatible devices. If you're looking for convenience and flexibility, the YouTube TV app is a great way to enjoy live TV without being tied to a traditional cable box. Just ensure your device is compatible and that you have a stable internet connection for smooth streaming. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.